Welcome to InstaLegal. During this COVID times, the unfortunate deaths have been many, and these unfortunate deaths have raised a lot of questions and a lot of liabilities on the surviving family members. One of the liability, which is a huge liability, is the repayment of any kind of debt which was on the name of the person who was deceased. The main question for today is whether the son is liable to pay the debt of father. Let's see. Now, when the father has been deceased, unfortunately, after taking a lot of loan, and there is a lender also, a private lender also in between, so would the father's debt would be liable to be paid by the son is the main question we are going to discuss today. Now, there could be two kinds of loans as I've shown. One could be a secured loan and the other could be an unsecured loan. For the secured loan where anything has been given as a hypothecation or mortgaged, or there's a guarantee, a loan which is basically secured, in such a case, if the loan is not paid after the death of the person who has taken the loan, the lender can enforce the security or take action for recovery for remaining payment by way of putting the security which was given for its enforcement. Now the question which mainly arises for the unsecured loans, if there is no liability, if there is no security which has been given at the time of advancement of loan, then for an unsecured loan, there will be no liability of anyone. Not even a single legal heir would be liable to make the payment if there is no security. However, there's an exception to it. A lender can file a suit for recovery from the assets which have been inherited by the legal heirs from the deceased. For example, if the deceased has a house on his name, but the loan amount which was pending is around say 10 lakh rupees out of 20 lakhs which he had taken, then for the recovery of this 10 lakh rupees, the lender can file a suit for attachment of this property for recovery of his loan, because after the death of the person, the legal heirs have inherited this property, and by way of inheritance, if there is any debt of the father, then the son is liable to pay from the assets which were in the name of the father inherited by him. The self-acquired properties cannot be attached. Property inherited could be ancestral or self-acquired of the father. That will not make a difference. But a son's self-acquired property cannot be attached in a suit for recovery. Now, if a personal guarantee has been given by the son, in such a scenario, debt can be recovered from the assets of the son, even if the same were not inherited from the father. Because he had given a personal guarantee, then it will become the obligation of the son that he has to repay the debt. Otherwise, the obligation of the son is limited to the assets received by him in his share from the father's properties. Thank you very much.